Hi, good morning, all of you. My name is Srikan, and our topic is rule alarm system. In total, as the number of crimes are increasing every day, there is to be something that will keep us safe. You are all aware of the high-speed security system present in the market, but they are not easily available to everyone. We therefore intend to provide solution by constructing a coefficient electronic system that has the capability of sensing the motion of the intruders and setting up the alarm. Working principle. This is a basic sensitive sound activated alarm system. The circuit is very sensitive and can get sound when it senses an object. The transmitter and receiver, which are connected to positive and negative terminal of the 9 volt battery. The LED and the buzzer is connected between receiver and battery. The one resistor connected between transmitter and battery. When an object is detected, then the LED goes on and buzzer makes sound. Advantage: the given system is handy and portable, and thus can be easily carried from one place to another place. The circuitry is not that complicated and thus can be easily troubleshooted. The given system sets up a powerful buzzer and it's effective as one and other system uh, available in the market. Disadvantage: the alarm systems are expensive. They not protect your privacy. Security systems are poor at burglar prevention. The given alarm system determines the presence of intruder only and does not determine how many persons are in there actually. Conclusion: you have designed a home security alarm system which is handily portable, cost effective and highly effective, as well as such as alarm systems are hugely in demand for security purposes. And thus the given system can be proved useful and effective in view of the above features. My circuit diagram. Thank you.